Casement windows are a popular choice for Frisco homeowners thanks to their clean design, excellent ventilation, and tight seal when closed. Hinged on the side and operated with a crank, they're designed to swing outward and catch the breeze, perfect for North Texas weather. But like any part of your home, casement windows don't last forever. Knowing when it's time to replace them can help you avoid higher energy bills, water damage, and unnecessary frustration. Here are the key signs it may be time to upgrade your casement windows in Frisco. Difficulty opening or closing casement windows should open smoothly with a simple turn of the crank. If you notice resistance, sticking, or a grinding sound when operating them, that's a red flag. Over time, the hardware can wear down, rust, or become misaligned, especially with repeated exposure to Frisco's heat and seasonal storms. If the window no longer opens fully or won't close tightly, it not only becomes inconvenient but also compromises your home's security and energy efficiency. When repairs no longer solve the issue, replacement is often the smarter long-term investment. Drafts and rising energy bills. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is their ability to create a tight seal. If you feel air coming in around the edges even when the window is fully closed and locked, the seal may have failed. In Frisco's hot summers, even small air leaks can make your HVAC system work harder. If your energy bills have steadily increased and you've ruled out other causes, aging or poorly sealed windows may be to blame. Replacing old casement windows with modern, energy-efficient models can significantly improve insulation and indoor comfort. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fog, condensation, or moisture trapped between the panes of glass, it usually means the insulated glass unit has failed. Once the seal breaks, the insulating gas escapes, reducing the window's efficiency. Not only does this make your windows less effective at regulating temperature, but it also obstructs your view and detracts from your home's appearance. In most cases, this issue can't be permanently repaired, making window replacement the best solution. Visible damage or rot. Frisco weather can be tough on exterior materials. Heavy rain, strong winds, and intense sun exposure can cause frames to crack, warp, or rot, especially if you have older wood windows. Look for signs such as peeling paint, soft spots in the frame, water stains, or visible warping. Damaged frames can allow moisture to enter your home, leading to mold growth and structural problems. Replacing worn casement windows with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass can provide better protection and lower maintenance. Outdated appearance. Windows play a major role in your home's curb appeal. If your casement windows look dated, faded, or mismatched after renovations, upgrading them can dramatically refresh your home's exterior and interior style. Modern casement windows come in a variety of frame colors, finishes, and grid patterns, allowing you to customize the look while improving performance. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, updated windows can also boost resale value and attract buyers looking for energy-efficient features. Increased outside noise. Have you started noticing more traffic noise or neighborhood sounds inside your home? Older casement windows may not offer the same sound insulation as newer, double or triple pane models. If peace and quiet matter to you, replacing outdated windows with advanced glass options can reduce outside noise and create a more comfortable indoor environment. Investing in comfort and efficiency. Replacing your casement windows in Frisco isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about enhancing your home's comfort, security, and long-term value. New windows can improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance, and give your home a fresh, updated look. If you're experiencing any of these signs, scheduling a professional window evaluation can help you determine the best next steps. With the right replacement windows, you can enjoy smoother operation, lower utility costs, and year-round comfort in your Frisco home.